love, or be loved in return. There was a boy, a very strange and enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad eyes, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. A memory spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me: the greatest thing you ever learn is just to love